And we are back. Welcome back to the Old Dub Shop, Bristol's Volkswagen vlog, I guess. It's just episode 6. You can see what the boys are up to, some projects for customers, and the infamous SEMA build.
Run myself over!
With a f***ing jack! Hey, hey!
Right, Mr. Alex,
Yes, Matt.
what are you doing?
I'm taking this engine out, and it's type 25 because it its pants. And we're putting another one in.
Oh, Frank, that soldier boy!
Early walk hold, and we're changing it over. For the one that's over there.
Get that down on the jack.
Engine removing jobs.
We'll come back to Alex when there's a bit more to see. So keeping up the pace, we've got this T25 double cab. It's going through some upgrades at the moment. It's a bit of a beast, I will admit. It's a Audi V6, which sounds rather juicy at the moment. Obviously, it's got power steering to make sure it does shift really well around the corners, as well as some huge brake discs and pads, which have been just updated. They're Willwoods ones, they're really good actually. It's a nice clean interior, pretty standard to the actual model, but to be honest, with the tasteful seats, it does look pretty damn good. Well, now that we know what's rocking on the inside, the outside needs a bit of love as well. The bed itself does need a bit of work. We're going to look to wrap to that. And the seals, well, you'll see.
That's hilarious.
Something tells me someone didn't prep the van properly.
You off, lady!
Came away, love. Sharp bits. Bits of paint. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it.
I reckon keep it.
Just to that, yeah. No, it's not filler, it's paint.
Someone couldn't be bothered to kneel down.
Yeah.
Kneel down, up there, that's tricky. Stone chipped it without gripping it.
Yeah. Yeah, the stone chip's coming away with it. Not much of it though, on there.
Well, now that we know what we're working with, we better get it dismantled and start doing the rust jobs.
First coat clear bit on there. It's basically that 10 coat grease coat, it's very transparent. And that's the first gripper coat of 10. So the gripper before the ripper.
Nice.
Texels creamy.
And after that very satisfying tape pill, the job's a good one, but it still needs a good cut and polish. So when it comes to owning a classic Volkswagen, one of the absolute pleasures of it is the fact that they are completely unique and individual. With this in mind, you have to remember most things just don't come off the shelf, so therefore we have to make them. Even down to the little bracket to house this modern radio. That being said, one of the best things about owning a classic Volkswagen is the community. Join a Facebook group, go to shows, you might just get lucky in what you can find.
So, talk me through this, Alex.
Just going over, trying to find any little, little snags in the paintwork. There's a little bit there, look. Just to do some repairs on. I want to be going back to the customer at the end of the week. So it'd be nice to have any outstanding snags or marks or whatever brushed up for him before it goes back, because it has been kicking about the workshop for a little while since the initial paint job was done. So we've got those bits there. There's a door decided to drop, which sucks, but now we've got a nice door gap on it. Need to blow that edge in and stuff, but shouldn't be too bad though. It's nothing major. Quite nice actually. Quite nice actually.
Someone had to say it.
Mike and Alex can make this thing extremely pretty. But in the meantime, there's still more work to do. Let's get it out in the sun and get it finished.
Who are you, bud?
I'm Rob. Been doing a lot of work for Spence over the years. Owner of Classic Custom Auto Electrics based over in Cwmcarn, Newport, South Wales. Specialise in air-cooled stuff and camper builds. But yeah.
Just going to make you feel really awkward. Just hold the camera until you get run out of words to say. So what have we done with this one?
Wired her up a long time ago. It went for MOT, failed on MOT on a few little bits and pieces. Indicator relay, it failed. Should replace that again now. Back lights, earthing problem because of the age of the copper and everything on there. Strip them down, give them a scrub up, all good. And there was also the horn. Wasn't working on that. Turns out there'd never been a horn fitted to it. Checked all the wiring's good. Found a horn, got a horn on it, she's good to go.
Fabulous. And do you have socials?
Yes. So I don't remember. Socials are Facebook Classic Custom Auto Electrics. Instagram is CC Auto Electrics.
Sweet. Thank you very much.
Do you remember that Doormobile we only had 3 weeks to finish?
Brown one.
Yeah, what's the plan with the brown one?
Split. Dubs at the castle can get ready for.
Get it up by
Yeah.
me.
It's been off the road for 15 years, I think it is, or 20 years. Same owner. He's been buying parts as and when, but they all went rusty. He had an engine he had off BJ Speed Shop. We took it, he wanted just to go through it just in case anyone dropped anything in the heads and stuff because it was all open. Immaculate.
Yeah,
I mean, inside the motor was immaculate, and when we put it in, it fired straight up, and you know it's going to be a nice bus. It's going to be a cool bus.
So that means we've got to do full interior, full windows.
It's got the original interior in.
Yep.
Just got to clean it all out now, because it's been a shed for 15 years.
Wow.
I'm going to clean it all out, probably put some new flooring in, curtain rails up. Basically, we want it to debut at Dubs at the Castle. And then he's going to go to Bug Jam the weekend after in it. And consider it's been off the road for that long, it's going to be quite cool.
That's a squeeze. How many days is that? How many weeks is that?
3 weeks. You know me? All other deadline.
Speaking of deadlines, check this out. As is the signature with every old dub shop build, the style has to be over the top and absolutely perfect every time, especially if you're going to be showing it to the world. But there's no point making it look great unless it runs just as good.
Oh, sorry.
Did you forget the wall was not there anymore?
We're about to hit a wall. Hang on, the wall is gone.
Next time on the Old Dub Shop.
Yes, that's it.
Mr. Spencer, can you let me know what's just happened?
Well,
don't know how to say it without crying.
Thank you very much for watching another episode of the Old Dub Shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very, very much. If you're not, it doesn't cost you anything to follow us. So just hit that button and we'll catch you in the next one.